If you're promoting the Digital Wealth Academy, also known as DWA, and you're not doing this, you're missing out on so much more income. Now, I'm going to show you how you can make 15 times more with the Digital Wealth Academy with this small shift in how you're marketing. Now, if you've never heard of me, my name is Jonathan Montoya. I've coached and mentored over 55,000 people, helping them achieve financial and time freedom. And more importantly, I've been in this space for over 5 years. I was personally able to quit my 9-to-5 job. And the most important part is I'm able to make predictable income every single month. I'm going to show you exactly how you can also make predictable income with your online business, or at least set yourself up for a long-term business. Now, if you've never heard of the Digital Wealth Academy, or DWA, please check out my entire review on exactly what Digital Wealth Academy is, and I'm going to go over every single module. So make sure to check this out if you haven't seen my honest review yet. But essentially what it is, it's a master resale course, also known as MRR, which means you buy the program for $497 and you're now able to resell it. Now, I personally don't sell DWA or don't plan to in the future. The purpose of this video is to really help people make a lot more money, because the things being taught in the online space right now are not helping students, especially brand new beginners, set up their business for the long term. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you here. Now, in this specific example, I'm going to give you how you can do it with a DWA, but this method here is going to work for any online business. I've used it to create an almost 8-figure business. Again, the most important part is I'm able to continue to stay relevant, not having to change products every single time. So let's get into it. Now, the number one thing that you need to focus on when you're building an online business, whether it's digital marketing or affiliate marketing, is you need to be building your email list. That's literally the most important part, and that's how I've helped my students build their online business. And what I'm seeing when people are promoting or selling DWA is they're leading with the product. They have no real way to build an email list, or at least they're not doing it the correct way. Now, I'm going to show you a very strategic way that allows you to make money with 15, 16, 20, 40 different products in a very strategic way that not only helps your customer even more, but it helps them get to their ultimate dream outcome. So this is my super top secret framework. I call it the affiliate stacking ecosystem. More importantly, this is the system that allows me to promote multiple things, but at the same time, getting my customer a result. Because the main goal of your online business is simply to get someone from point A to point B. And most people forget about this right here. This is literally the most important part. I see a lot of people talking about, all the modules in DWA, all the things that it includes. But at the end of the day, people don't care about the modules or the videos inside of the program, okay? They care about the dream outcome. And the dream outcome, it depends what niche you're in, but for people in the wealth niche, right? And I'll show you an example here. This could be an example here if you're in the wealth niche, okay? Someone is at point A, they maybe hate their job, they're in a ton of debt, wants time freedom, wants to spend more time with their family. And we want to get them to point B, right? Being able to help them quit their job, making enough money passively to get back their time, spend more time with their family. Like, this is the true thing they actually want. They don't care about DWA. They don't care about the product. They just want to get from point A to point B. So that being said, and this is just a quick overview, this is exactly what I've taught over 55,000 students, okay? This is what allows me to promote multiple products in a very strategic way, okay? So for example, this is one of my A to B maps. This is what I call it. This is how I teach my students. But essentially what this is we want to get someone from point A to point B. We got to build out this map, right? So that being said, we start finding products that are going to help them get from point A to point B, okay? These are just some examples here. Every map is different depending on your client and your student needs, okay? But for example, this is kind of a map that I would build for my students, right? I would want them to get a coaching program, then I need them to get a funnel builder, they need an autoresponder, they need a domain they need copywriting, they need AI software, right? This is just an example here, but what I'm saying is these are the things they're gonna need, right? And then another thing is, like, let's just say you're doing DWA, right? So if this was DWA, that would be one of your programs, right? And then, okay, well, they also need a funnel builder, right? So, you know, this could be like Funnel Freedom or System.io or something like that, right? You're gonna need something like that. You're gonna need a domain, so maybe like GoDaddy, right? So that's what I'm saying. You're gonna need all these things. And at my map, it goes 15, 20, 40 different products, okay? But this is just a simple map so you understand like the whole purpose of this, okay? One thing that I noticed in DWA is when you resell the course, the links within the course are not going back to you. That's the only downside I've seen is, yeah, you're gonna get full 100% commissions, but you're not able to promote multiple things because you don't own that and they're not allowing you to use your affiliate link. So that's one thing I noticed. And again, the whole purpose of your business is to be able to get multiple streams of income. But either way, I'm going to show you how you can do it, even if DWA doesn't allow you to do it within their program. Okay, so that being said, once we know the A to B map, the whole goal now is to then we can start building out our automated. Now, one thing I want to say is if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you this really cool software that's going to do all this for you. Okay, nothing like this has ever been done, and it's not going to deter you from what you're already doing with DWA or Digital Wealth Academy, none of your MRR courses. This is just gonna add fuel to the fire, okay? So make sure to stick to the end. I'm really, really excited. But that being said, now it takes us back to this graphic that I showed you originally, okay? This is the whole goal of your business, okay? You wanna be able to build an email list. This is the #1 thing here, to be able to promote multiple things. Again, we're not just promoting random products. We're promoting products that actually help someone get a result in their business, okay? So that being said, the whole goal now, if we know the whole goal is to build the email list, then how do we do that the correct way without leading with like DWA or the product you're promoting? What you wanna do is you wanna lead with the lead magnet. And that's the most important thing, guys. Now, if you go to my Instagram, okay? This is my Instagram here. You'll notice that if we click on my link and you click on this here, I'm leading with this free course, okay? If I click on this free course, I'm asking people for their name, number, and email. It's the goal. That's the whole thing I'm trying to do, because if I'm leading with that, I can build my list. And if I can build my list, I can then talk about the other products once they're on my email list. Now notice, if I go to this, I never talk about a course. I don't even talk about affiliate marketing, digital marketing. All I say here is this is the #1 way to get started. This is the best way to leave your job, all that good stuff, right? I never mention the product, okay? This is like vital. This right there, that one nugget will totally change the way you market and the way make money online, okay? That being said, now that you know, okay, we want to build the email list. We want to build the email list using a lead magnet. Now what we can do is we can start building out our follow-up system. So leverage. So essentially what that means, once we build our email list, we start building out these emails. We start sending these out to multiple different products based on the A to B map that we created, okay? My advanced students will, start posting YouTube videos to really provide value, but we're not gonna talk about that at the moment. But this is just a more advanced way to really get people to buy your products. Now, like I said, if you stuck to the end of this video, I want to show you this system that we've created. As you can see right here, this is basically what we've created for our students and how you can tap into it in literally minutes. And you can have this system up and running in literally just a few minutes, okay? The cool thing is we've built this out and we're going to hand it over to you, okay? I'm going to show you how this works just a second. Now, that being said, I'm going to show you how you can tap into that done for you automated email sequence that goes for over a year. But before we do that, I want to clarify some things, right? Because a lot of people get confused here. Let's just say again, DWA is your main core offer. Don't change that. If that's what you want to do, that's cool. Don't change it. But what you want to do, so you want to go to a lead magnet. So instead of leading with DWA, you want to say, hey, here's my free course. Here's my free cheat sheet, my free checklist, right? And that's the goal here, okay? The goal is, again, to build the email list and then we get people to our main offer, okay? In this case, we can have this as DWA. And then, of course, we can tap into other income streams, which I'll show you at the end here. But the goal, again, don't ever lead the offer, the product, okay? So even this right here, this is something that we give our students. We give our students a free course to white label as their own, okay? So that being said, if you wanted to tap into this exact same system while you're still doing DWA, not messing with anything that you're already doing, let me show you how this works. All right, so this is a software that I created and developed with my partner, Sean McCallan. And what we've done is essentially we streamlined this process here that you see, okay? Basically allowing you to promote multiple products, giving you a free course to give out as your own, a free lead magnet, all that is white labeled to you. Now, what we've done that's very, very unique is we've allowed you to leverage pre-done YouTube videos to get traffic to your own links, okay? It's very, very cool. So that being said, all you basically have to do using this unfair software is adding your links all here for these multiple different programs. Now, again, if you're doing DWA or UBC or MRR, roadmap, any of those courses, you can very easily add that in. That's not an issue at all. These are just some of the pre-done links that have made me personally over 7 figures in affiliate commissions. The cool thing is all you have to do is paste your links here, and essentially what you get is this entire process like that, okay? Because the way we've done it is when you paste your links in here, they automatically are sent through that email process. Now, if you're interested in learning how this unfair software works, we have a challenge to kind of walk you through that process. I'll leave a link down below in the YouTube description, but if you click on that link, it'll take you right to this challenge that's gonna walk you through. You're gonna get help from an advisor, and they're gonna walk you through exactly how to get started. But again, if you're already doing DWA and you're just doing that and you're not tapping into a system that allows you to promote multiple products, you're not going to be able to last in this business for the long term because products change, right? I have my own products. Even my products change. To combat that, you want to be building an email list instead of building a product list, right? You want to be doing both, but the most important part is building a list of people that know, like, and trust you. And that's the name of the game. This is how I've been able to stay relevant for years and years and years and not having to worry about product changes and stuff like that. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I want to help people that are in this community because I see there's a lot of confusion out there. So I want to really help you guys like understand like this is the stuff gonna make you the real money, at least for the long term. That being said, thank you so much and have a blessed day.